20x top slot for us now. Lovely number 10, so congratulations all the winners of 400 total winners. Maria, you are top winner. Congratulations all of you, so let's keep...
Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? It is crazy time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's crazy time. See you. See you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. Okay, we have 3 flappers to choose from. Choose wisely, as I always say. You have the yellow, the green, and the blue. Let's see the highest multiplier. It is 4x. 4x? Or what's going on? What's going on? I am very much confused. It is decision time. Okay. It just... I don't know what to say. The screens have frozen, okay? And the max multiplier is at 400x. It is time to push the button. Let's go! No worries, no worries. Which colors would you choose? Let me know. And we have 200x on the...
What we're all saying? Crazy time with a top slot. Let's quadruple the multiplier. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Pick a color, green, blue, or yellow, and let's see what we gonna choose. Yeehaw! Best to close the biggest multi is 400x. Let it spin. And it's a double for a blue color. Let's go. Biggest multi is 800x. Let's spin it again. Okay. 6x for green, 200x for blue, 8x for yellow. Congratulations to the winner, to the right one. Let's go. It's time for a host change. I wish you the best of luck. My lovely clip. Cash and 5x. Hold up. Hold up, people. We didn't hit the cash and 5x. Yeah, this is looking good. Alright, so far, that's awesome. You know? Cash and 5x. What's up? Yo. Top respect, yeah? Mad respect. Sheesh. Look at that. Look at that. Slap that 5x on it, too. Oh, baby. Yo, multiple 500x's. Look at that board. Beautiful. Come on, people. This is the bonus that we're talking about, right? 500x. Multiple 500x's. Yo, don't miss, all right? You hear me? Don't miss. Right, decision time. Shoot your shots. Don't forget that there is the auto play here. Auto pick. I mean, yeah, I'm playing too. And I'm going with the present because it's Christmas time, right? Come on. A present for the 500. Oh, 100. There we go. Beautiful ball. Cashioned. Awesome. Congratulations.
Transition, boom. 4,346 total winner special. Congratulations, top 5 winners. All bets are in place. Bets on the go to play. We'll continue coming. Let's get straight to the next round. All bets are in place. Bets. Not bad. I mean, yeah, it's better than nothing. You are fine. I appreciate that. All bets first luck. What are we on the top slot? Can you open the door now? Which one? I mean, there is only one door, but... Oh! Cash up with a 7X top slot! Come on, baby! Come on, multiply that for me, babe. 700X is going to be our highest multiplier. Let's go. Beautiful stuff. Let's do it. I hope you guys hit the 700X. Come on, hit the 700X. I heard if you shoot the guy in the orange suit, you get 1,000X, but I don't know if it's true. I don't guarantee it. Oh man, as soon as we got that 700X, I felt like that, you know? Like one of these, you know? Just felt amazing, felt good. It felt really good. Hiya! Ooh, 700X. Top right corner. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's head back up to the wheel. $60 people hit the 700X. Very nice. 4,706 total winner special. Congratulations to the top 5 winners. All best are in place. Best when they go to playing bonus games. Continue comments. Let's get straight in the next round. What did you guys hit? Tell me what you hit. Shout with a 350. Nice. Hug with a 70X. Nice. 360. Yes, bro. 350, 70, 70, very nice. Anyone hit the 700? 175, really nice. Chloe with the 700X, very good.
Whew. All right, we got this. We got this. We got this. Follow me. Oh my goodness. Welcome. That time is second crazy time, and this one has some extra juice on it. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Look at that. We got a multis, but you know what's even better? When it's times 7. Okay, there we go. So, wheel is prepared. Now decision time is yours. Choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. If anything, Autopic will handle it. Alright. Highest multi, 700X. And good luck, everybody. So I got 350X on green, 175X on blue, as well as on yellow. Welcome back. So 1,938 winners. Congratulations. Betting time. You know what? I was hoping for a bit more impressive stuff, but I'll take it. Pretty decent. Alright. Okay, green popped off. Oh my, though. That was amazing. Alright, there we go. Till next time, crazy time. Well, this time it's over here. We got a one.
Not a huge game. Kind of finished. I need to dance more. Pachinko with the 2 multiplied. Come on, bring me that Pachinko. Come on, Pachinko. We're dancing for you. Just stop with the Pachinko. Yay! Woo, woo, woo! We're going for the Pachinko with extra 2x multiplier. Here we go, guys. Better to be big, better to be big. Let's go. Let's see what we're gonna have here. We start with a 5 multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Then follows 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, hundreds, and the magic time. Let's go. Leveling up the multipliers. Now we got 200s, ladies. But again, whatever. We need just that 200 and we are good here today. Right, guys? Are you with me for the big win with the 200? Well, let's get rubbing the ball. It's going down, and good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Kicking with Ben. Bring me that 200, please. Bro, we actually are good here now. We got that 200. Woo! Here we go. 6,533 winner. Congratulations. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go. Let's spin again. Good luck. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yay. Yay. We are all happy. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you. Let's go for the next spin. Good luck. I told you it's going to be cooking.
Welcome! And a little magic moment will happen now. Abracadabra! Now we'll multiply everything on 4, and then there will be time for you to choose the gang. I've got 3 of them. Green, blue, and yellow one. Choose the luckiest. Decision time is open. So 5 seconds left. Guys, use all of your powers to predict where is that. Do some multi-hiding now. Last second. Majority have chosen the blue team. 400 the maximum thing. Okay, yellow, you're so lucky today. 400 in your hands, double for the Shrekkies. Shrekkies from now on the high school, so for y'all will be 800. Good luck to you, lovelies. And 400 for you as well. Yeah! 400 for the Shrekkies and the yellow gang. I don't know how to call you now. 60 for the blue compliments on your victory. Here in Tato, we have got 8,176. What? I'm too excited, guys. It's 8,171 winner. Javorn is the first one. Jimmy, I'll take it out. Betting time. That was amazing, guys. Final 3, 2, 1, and our masterclass. Enjoy. Whew. I'm shaking. Oppa! 3x and a 5. You're welcome, lovelies. And now we have got 8-2. And in total, there is.
Haven't had yet, so hopefully soon it's gonna be ours, and we can go say hi to the penguins. Oh, I haven't seen penguins in so long. Good luck. Penguins are just the cutest ever. How Lula C has the key to the red door. He has. Oh, there's 50x and coin flip. We got it, ladies and gentlemen. We actually got it. 50x Topslot on coin flip. Woo, woo, woo. Well, let's get going. Oh, I hope we can get a big win. That would be so nice. Okay, give us some big ones. Give me like 150. Okay, 4x, but you know. There is quite a lovely multiplier on the blue side. 2,500. Oh, please, blue. It is not blue. It is red. Well, it's still a lovely multiplier, 200x. If we don't think about what we had on the blue side, you know. Congratulations to 200. You know, yeah, let's just not think about what was on the blue side. Because, you know, by itself, 200x, very nice. But quite sad. That's a little lag. But hey, yeah, still 200x. Let's go on. Maybe we can